everybody! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today I wanted to do another video and kind of, I guess we're doing a series of like my capsule wardrobe mistakes. The last video I focused more on like fits and very minute details of capsule wardrobe, so you can check that out if you want. And it's kind of just like, why does my capsule wardrobe not look like the Pinterest capsule wardrobe? Why is my capsule wardrobe not working? Those kind of things. So today I'm going to talk more about, like, instead of getting a plain t-shirt, do something like this instead. So the first thing I want to talk about is something I'm wearing. This is like literally the easiest. It elevates an outfit so much, especially if you're somebody who wears tank tops all the time. So this tank top, I showed this in a video, I think that's already out or is coming out. I just flipped it, and it's a higher neck tank top. There's how the back looks. Literally perfect. It is so much more elevated and like looks fancy when it's just an Old Navy, no, Express sexy basic tank. I thrifted this tank top for probably 99 cents. So that's like my favorite hack ever. And it's something that you don't need to go out and buy. I'm sure you have a tank top in your wardrobe. Just flip it around, wear it backwards, and it'll immediately look like so elevated. Whether you wear this with just your jeans, with like little track shorts, which I've been so into, even like sweatpants, sweat shorts, skirts, anything, it's a very easy way to elevate your style and look more like your like Pinterest board dreams. So there's that one. Okay, next thing is, I'm sure everybody already has a black purse and a brown purse. Not everybody. If you're watching this channel, I'm sure you already have like 800 purses. Maybe if you don't, instead of just automatically opting for a black purse when styling an outfit, reach for your brown purse, or in my case, I'm really obsessed with a burgundy purse right now. I think it just adds so much more to an outfit, even if your shoes are black. I personally think you can get away with a brown purse, a brown leather purse. Add something, especially to a very basic outfit if you're somebody who is wearing a capsule wardrobe or a more basic toned down outfit, swapping out a black purse for brown or burgundy, I think is so cute. And I always say this on my channel, but I'm not somebody who thinks you have to match your shoes to your purse. I actually prefer not matching. Next thing, every single capsule wardrobe ever talks about the white sneaker. You need a white pair of sneakers, an Air Force One, a Adidas Superstar, I don't know, Adidas Samba in white. Have to disagree that a black sneaker can be so much more versatile. I swear a black sneaker goes with everything. You guys know which ones I'm talking about. My black Adidas Sambas have very quickly in the past 2-3 years become the shoe of choice for me. I literally like don't reach for my white ones, and I got my white ones first and then I got the black ones because I just never been like a black leather sneaker girl. Oh my god, a black leather sneaker girl is all I am. I think they can look a little bit more dressed up just because they're black leather. I wear them in the summertime. I'll wear them with like a floral print sundress that's like super summery. I wear them with an all white outfit. You can do black socks with them or white socks. You can't do black socks with white sneakers. Like that looks weird. You could do any colored socks with these sneakers. And I'm so into a little colored sock right now. I need to get some. Like a baby pink or a baby blue sock just as like a fun pop of color. I love it. So a black sneaker instead of a white sneaker if you don't have sneakers or you're looking to get a new pair. Like they almost feel, and I know they're like so different than a loafer or like a clog, a leather clog or something like that, but just because they're black, they're like seamless. I don't know, it just works, you guys. And obviously a white sneaker still works in the wintertime, but a black sneaker in the wintertime, like even in the snow, looks less abrasive. Something else in every single capsule wardrobe are a pair of linen pants, and I do think linen pants are cute. They're just like not as my style as like a striped or a print pant. So I would definitely go for like a pinstripe pant or a gingham pant, just because to me they make an outfit so much easier than a linen pant. A linen pant to me like has to be styled a little bit more. You could just pair them with a white t-shirt. I don't think it will give like as Pinterest girl as like a pinstripe pant and a white t-shirt does, or a gingham pant, or those are really the only two that I would like, is like stripes or gingham. Put that with your black Sambas and your brown bag and you're good to go. And a pair of sunnies. Like it's a fit and you will look so chic and comfy and cool, girl. They're just more youthful to me than a linen pant. Okay. And then the next thing is, instead of a pair of joggers, I would opt for like an Adidas track pant. I'm so into like the, you know, 3-stripe down the leg track pants. I have them in black. I've recently sold a red capri pair on my whatnot, and she styled them. If I can find the picture, I'll put it here. She styled them, and I was literally so jealous that they were her size and not mine. I was like, oh my god, I want those now. So I'm on the hunt for a red capri track pant. You could obviously go full length or cropped, but they're just a lot more trendy right now than a jogger, and you can still get them for really inexpensive. And there's something like a jogger. Like a jogger is not trendy right now, you know, a sweatpants jogger, but you can still wear a jogger and get away with a jogger. Same thing with a track pant. They will never look like cringe or like weird when they're not peak trendiness, but right now they are super trendy. I wear them all the time. You can wear them with a more stylized shirt, with this kind high neck tank top, or you could just wear it with a white t-shirt. You could wear it with a hoodie, a crew neck, and look either really cozy or really chic. So I like that about the track pant. Yeah, I think we're just gonna see them more and more and more also. So track pants over joggers. Also, I just like the fit of a straight leg pant over a jogger. They look better with shoes. A jogger looks good with socks, and that's it. No shoes. Before we get any further into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring. I've been a longtime user of HelloFresh, and I've always loved the simplicity and obviously delicious recipes. But right now, being a new mom, I have no time or energy to think of what to cook or cook in general. And this meal that you're gonna watch me cook right now took me 5 minutes of prep. I've also only started recently cooking for Brandon, my boyfriend. So what I find the key to a successful dinner time is variety. HelloFresh keeps your taste buds on their toes with 40 chef-crafted recipes to select from every week. From family-friendly to fit and wholesome, you'll always find a new and exciting recipe to try. And if you feel like you're just hungry all the time and can't satiate, HelloFresh also offers snacks, sides, and more to the weekly HelloFresh order. Just simply shop HelloFresh Market and take your pick from a curated selection of over 100 add-on items. And if you know me in real life, you know that I am constantly ordering takeout, so HelloFresh really nips that in the bud. It's 25% cheaper than takeout and less expensive than grocery shopping too. Just choose your recipes and receive fresh, pre-portioned ingredients so you can get cooking quick. So go to hellofresh.com and use my code 50LANEY at checkout for 50% off plus free shipping. That's hellofresh.com with the promo code 50LANEY at checkout for 50% off and free shipping. Or just check the link in the description box. Let's get into the rest of the video. Okay, next thing, very like simple, is instead of just always wearing hoodies, I think crew necks can look so much more elevated. I think it gives a lot more, like if you're going for that Scandinavian girl winter, a crew neck, you can pair a scarf with it. You can't pair a scarf with a hoodie. A crew neck almost feels more like a sweater than a hoodie. I'm somebody who will wear like a sweater over a crew neck though, so if you want to take it one step further, just go for like a cable knit sweater, and then you could wear it all the time, whether you're just being cozy or trying to dress it up a little bit. But a crew neck can go again with like a maxi skirt with a pair of jeans. It can go with your track pants, whatever, whereas a hoodie and a maxi skirt like just doesn't get the same feel. Also crew neck, you can pair jackets over it. I'm a crew neck over a hoodie girl 1000% of the time. Okay, last thing is not really instead of just a plain t-shirt, but in addition to just like a plain t-shirt, I'm somebody who will buy a pack of just like Hanes, you know, undershirts, t-shirts. I think they're the most perfect ones for me. If I want to do like a true to size, I'll get a men's, I think medium is like my favorite fit. And then if I want to get like a baby tee, I will get a little boy's extra large, and those fit me so well like a baby tee. So what would be the conversion of that? Is that like 3 sizes down? So if you like a men's extra large as your fit of choice, maybe try sizing down to a men's small, and maybe it'll fit you like a baby tee. I was trying to kind of like do these conversions. I need to try them on like different body types because my boyfriend screen prints, and I've never found a baby tee that I like a Hanes baby tee, because if you buy like a big stock of, what's it called? You know, like a bunch of blanks of a baby tee, they're always cropped, and I don't want cropped. I want a long one, so that's why the little boys ones work. So we're trying to figure out if like you go 3 sizes down, if it'll fit you like a baby tee. Does that make sense? What am I saying? Oh, so I'll buy a big pack of those, and I will obviously keep one as is, just a plain white t-shirt. I'll probably give a few to Brandon to print some stuff on for me. And then one, I will just cut off the collar. It is so easy. I'm gonna do a little diagram here. You literally just cut off the collar, stretch it out, and it will fit you like the perfect little scoop boat neck off the shoulder type of top. I think it looks so cute with a baggy pair of jeans with a track pant, your pinstripe pants, if you want more of like a full baggy fit, but being a bit more elevated than just like a baggy t-shirt, a baggy graphic tee. Again, this is something you can do with things already in your closet if you're okay with cutting them, obviously, but a graphic tee maybe you don't wear as often. Try cutting off the top of the neck and then it'll fit so slouchy, effortless, cool. Pair some really cool necklaces with it. You're good to go. So stinking cute. So those are my suggestions for adding to your capsule wardrobe. Let me know if you guys have any in the comments below. But that's it for this video. Thank you again to HelloFresh for sponsoring. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me or just more fashion videos. And that's it. Bye.